So here is the Android 7.1.1, and this is really old device, and you can see that my YouTube is not even supported right now. If I try to open, it will try to redirect me on web version of YouTube itself. So you can see it's saying that switch to youtube.com, else you are not able to use this up-to-date YouTube application. So here's the solution for this. So you need to download the YouTube and the application that I've given for you from my description down below. So these are the two applications that you guys will need to download. So first, install this application and tap on install. You need to install these services because you will need to log in to your Google account. Else you are not able to log in or not even able to open the YouTube app. So you will need to install this. So tap on done once you guys install this. Now install this second application. This is a YouTube, so install this. So once you guys have installed this, simply open up. So hit and continue and tap on yes. Now you can simply search any videos that you wanted to, and here you go. Well, you are not able to hear this music because I have not enabled my microphone. Well, there you go. Now if you wanted to sign in, you can still sign in using the services that you have just installed. So simply hit and sign in and simply add the account, but this is added onto your separate G services application. So make sure to sign this in if you have a Google account. All right. So yeah, just follow this screen procedure and you are able to sign in your account and you are able to log into your YouTube channel or your YouTube account. So this is how you should run YouTube right now on Android version 7.1. So this is running on Nougat and it's not compatible for latest version of YouTube app. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.